COVID-19 shocked the world. The virus was deadly. COVID-19 spread so fast, the World Health Organization declared the global pandemic on March 11th of 2020. Although so many people were getting sick and dying, there was still no answer on how people were getting it and what was making it spread. Scientists were rushed to make vaccines very quickly. Vaccines usually take about 4 to 5 years. The vaccines came out 4 months after the world shut down, which brought people hope of the nightmare ending and also brought fear in people on how fast the vaccines was made. Most nurses and doctors felt it was needed and good for certain people.
I did specifically because looking at some of our more at-risk populations, like the patients that were tending to be more at risk of dying, it was definitely a better alternative for them, like older patients or patients that have, say, cancer or patients that are really unhealthy. I felt like when it first came out, it was a safer option for them than the alternative.
As Dr. Megan Tinsley stated that vaccines were good for people with high risk, many people were forced or felt obligated to take the vaccine due to the potential risk of their loved ones getting COVID-19.
I mean, I was kind of iffy with the whole vaccine from the get-go, with just how quick they put it together. Because like with the whole flu vaccine, they've had years to do it, but with COVID, it came out of nowhere, so they only had months to put it together. So I was kind of iffy with how quickly they put it together. But my whole family and extended family as well is pretty high risk. My mom has had a bunch of health complications, my brother as well, and then my dad, same thing. My grandma's 88 years old, so I just kind of got it for family. Like I was iffy, but I was like, at the end of the day, it's just a shot, so I didn't really care. But
COVID-19 changed people's lives. Over 1 million deaths and over 97 million cases have happened from COVID-19. The impact of COVID will forever be a part of history. Science continues to work harder to find a cure as COVID's been going on for 2 years. Some people may say we are still living in a pandemic.